Elevate your online presence with the unmatched clarity of your Canon EOS RP, transformed into a professional webcam in minutes. First, let's get your Canon EOS RP ready. Navigate to the wireless communication settings. You'll want to ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off, as we won't be using them for this setup. This helps prevent any interference. Next, grab a USB-C cable. Connect one end securely to the USB port on your Canon EOS RP. This is the cable that will carry the video signal to your computer. Now, connect the other end of the USB-C cable to a USB port on your computer. It's best to use a USB 30 port for optimal performance, but standard USB ports will also work. On your EOS RP, access the menu once more. This time, find the Setup tab, which is often represented by a wrench icon. Navigate to the external release or communication settings. You're looking for the option that enables PC connection and select on. Your camera should now indicate it's ready for PC connection. If you see a confirmation message or a specific connection mode on the camera screen, you're on the right track. Now for the software, download and install the EOS Webcam utility software from Canon's official website onto your computer. This is the magic ingredient that makes this all possible. Once installed, open the EOS Webcam utility application. You might see a small window or an icon in your system tray. Don't worry if it doesn't immediately show video. It's just waiting for your camera. Open your preferred streaming or video conferencing software like Zoom, OBS, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. In the video settings of your chosen application, you'll see a list of available cameras. Select EOS Webcam Utility or your Canon EOS RP from the list of available cameras. Instantly, your high-resolution Canon EOS RP feed should appear, replacing your computer's built-in webcam. And there you have it. You've successfully transformed your Canon EOS RP into a professional-grade webcam, ready to deliver stunning visuals for all your online communications.